guys, so I'll do a walkthrough. This is one bathroom. We're at one Woodbrook place. This is about to be my room, probably. Oh, here's a closet. Wow. Shower. Oh, okay. Wow. This is nice. You can see the stadium from here. That's so nice. So I think this is a king bed. Yes, it's bigger than I thought too. Oh, this is the laundry room. So you guys can bring your laundry and do your laundry here. And I like that the car park is right next to, wow. Look at this. Wow. Nice. The car park is right next to my bro. Oh, and they have extra sheets and stuff in here. How do you open this? Sheets and pillows, yeah. That's nice. They have extra sheets and pillows and stuff. Oh, you could open the window. And blankets. That's nice.
You see what you would look like too.
Right? This is nice. I love it. This is the other bathroom, I think. Oh, so you'd have 2.5 bathrooms? They have like supplies. This is the kitchen. Oh, they left snacks. That's so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, they left water too. That's so nice. And ice. They left snacks, water, ice. Wow, this is nice. Really? Let me go. Let me go outside. Yay. The outside is the best part, I think. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Yo, this is amazing. What? This is so nice. You can see the road, you said? It is windy. Oh my god. Oh, daddy. Wow. Ronaldo. We gotta take some nice pictures here, y'all. Yeah, this is really nice. Oh my goodness.
Everybody like
You seen it?
We're having ice cream. What time is it? It's like 1 or 2 in the morning. This is the what is it? Babadi and soursop. Pistachio. It's good.
Good. This was the best before.
Which one? The chocolate? Which one is that? Oh, strawberry cheesecake. That's the strawberry cheesecake.
Yeah.
Oh, really? I gotta try that one then. Yay.
I want to try it, I'm so bad, but I don't want to try it. But I have.
Christy, ready to knock out?
But I try it alone, or just there instead of which I've got. I went there.
The kids. happened, Papa? Hmm? He what? Oh. You guys gotta get along. This is the pilau. Auntie making pilau. Those are cousins. Cousins, say cheese. This is one Woodbrook.
monkey.
I'm done with my cousins. I know.
We should have documented how to reach.
Yeah, but I think I can figure it out. I love the balloons. I want to get the fountain. Yeah, it's so cute. Wow. Cheers. We're at the pool. These are our snacks, our drinks. Oh gosh. Ronaldo. Oh. Is it warm? Uh-oh. I smell like alcohol. I've been drinking. Oh, okay.
I'm coming.
Where's Daddy then? Oh, they're all the way up there. Is that a hot tub? Is that a hot tub? Is that hot? It's hot? Is that hot?
Yeah.
It's hot? Oh, I see bubbles.
No, yeah. Everything's going in one instant. Yeah. That's like just like you said.
So when you walk up to the on the decking, you're safe, and then you just
Yeah, food square. I see now. Oh, look. Yeah, look like they have stuff in there. Oh my god, it's like the food square. So on this night we took a walk around Arapita Avenue. There was a lot of like different food places, so we kind of was choosing which places we wanted to go. I wanted barbecue, my brother wanted like burgers, so he ended up going somewhere else. But it was nice having all the different options because, you know, not everyone wants the same thing. And this place, the food was actually really good. The barbecue was amazing. The people were really friendly. We had a huge order and they were super patient with us, and fair with the prices. Yeah, it was also a nice area to like chill, listen to music and stuff like that. So we had fun out this night, just getting food and stuff like that. It was definitely a lot of fun. There's so many parties. Doubles. Ooh, doubles. This is curry go double. Ooh.
I keep on thinking about it and I can't believe it.
Ooh. Oh, wait, I tell you.
And you know, I did like it, but like I feel like my mind just break.
This is nice. Ooh, it's pretty. Yes. Got some good ones over there.
My children are sure be taking out pictures.
This is a marker what you see, you know. Your food.
Wow. Wow. That's nice. Uh-oh. Oh, that's a donkey. It's a donkey. Look. Uh-oh. Oh, it's two of them. Uh-oh, they're cute. Yeah. They're so cute. This is the crew. Papa, Papa, we going for a swim? Yeah, she missing her slippers. Chrissy. Doing a video. It's cute. You guys, we went on a hike and it's literally in the middle of nowhere. Oh shit. And we're tired. Good day. Yeah. You guys, right? You need to pee? That is the waterfall, Daddy? There's more? So we finally made it, y'all, to the Blue Basin waterfall. This is the crew. Everyone coming down. Chrissy, oh my gosh. This is nice. No, just go over there. Oh, you want to jump first? I didn't even see him.
Yeah, but it's your safety.
I didn't see him. Nobody see him. So that means it's deep because if he jumped in.
I was touching there where I was falling to my feet.
Christy and I'm going for a swim under the waterfall. My dad's already there. Keep going, girl. Keep going.
I want to carry Ferrari. Carry Ferrari.
You take close, you know?
Say cheese. Cheese. Yay. I did. I got. Cheese.
You want me to carry on the
No, I'm gonna wear it. Yeah, you got it out? Oh, get a drink, It's deeper.
Yeah, I will need it.
Oh, boy.
Like to stand up with it, is it?
Yeah. They can't hear me. They can't hear me. You. Say cheese. Cheese. Ooh, it's stinky. Cheese. You want to take a picture? Yes. You guys are brave. I couldn't do it. You want to take a picture with him?
You want to take a picture on top? I want to go back. Take a picture on top. Take a picture.
Akash in the background, but it's okay. Yay, I got some good ones.
Well, I'm talking coming and she goes to Harry's water park on the 15th. She want to go on spot. But on the 12th, it's Honeymoon Jersey. So I want to go sample. And fasting. Now it's in Rackham. I'm supposed to be fasting by alignment.
We're at the waterfalls, y'all. Wow. Akash said cheese. Oh my god, that's funny. Chrissy, the kids. We're at the water wheel. That's so cool. I cannot get tired of this view. So pretty.
What you have, like what I have home, you have one.
No, I have.
Oh, oh.
Do you like my garden?
Yeah, very good.
It's nice to relax up here, you know, it's private and
I love
have
it.
to just plant up more here. My pool have to clean, but I didn't clean it.